Minimizing losses is a critical part of designing electronic systems, and automotive electronics are no different. The electronic components in automobiles are subject to extreme conditions by virtue of the environments in which they operate, and it becomes necessary to control how much heat the components themselves generate. Last year, we introduced MPX to our line of METCOM metal composite power inductors. The metal composite material allows for very gradual core saturation. The result of that saturation profile makes these inductors capable of double-digit current ratings while still maintaining stable inductance. This also means that this material is capable of minimal core loss, a critical requirement to making highly efficient electronics. We are now introducing MPXV, the automotive version of those metal composite power inductors. The automotive space needs many of the same electrical requirements of commonplace electronic systems, but they also must meet strict reliability requirements. The molded construction of these devices also has minimal flux leakage, which helps to reduce EMI. These inductors are available in various industry standard footprints. If you want more information, please be sure to visit chemet.com and follow us on our social media channels. Coming to you from our lab in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, I'm Wilmer Compagnoni.